sky so wide and free, mountains tall and ancient trees. In the whispers of the breeze, I find the part of me. River flows with endless might, stars that dance in the night. With each step I'm taking flight, discovering my light. Here I stand in wonder's glow, world unfolds as I let go. In these lands my spirit grows, on this path my true self shows. Waterfalls that roar and gleam, deserts vast like endless streams. In these places so serene, see who I'm meant to be. Echoes in my heart resound, every moment new is found. In these journeys unbound, I'm lost yet